Good morning students. I am back with a new video, but this video is actually the revision which we have already studied in chapter 1 part 1, that is Python series. You have already learned about Python series, which is just a one-dimensional data. Now I am explaining you various examples based on Python series. The first one, and for that I am sharing book pages. In the first question they are asking us to create a series which have a sequence 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now see how they have done. So first of all you have to import pandas as PD, then use a variable, any name you can give. Here they have given s1 equals to pd.series. Series is the constructor which is used to create a series. Now in the bracket you can give a sequence of the number whatever you want, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and then print. See the output. The index of the first element is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and by default its data type is 64 integer. Similarly, we can create by sequence 11, 21, 31 and 41. So same concept we will use in this. Now example number 3. In this we are creating a series by using individual characters. How can we do that? So for that, import pandas as pd.series, in bracket and square bracket OHO. These are the different individual characters which we are giving in the series. And then see the output. 0, 1, 2 are the index. At 0 index we have O element, 1 H, and at 2 index it is again O. Now fourth example is you want a string so funny. So just write in the bracket of pd.series so funny in inverted comma and see the output. We have so funny as the element and index of this element is 0. I hope it is clear. First you have to import pandas as any variable name. Then in that variable name we will use dot series as constructor. Then whatever string you want to give, you can write it in bracket and inverted comma. Now since it is string, so its data type is object. Object is a data type which contain number as well as characters in that. Now next example is example number 5. In this we are creating a program which contains 3 different words. I am laughing. Now see the output, see the solution. Import pandas as pd.series in bracket, in square bracket, I in one inverted comma, then again comma, m comma laughing. So here we have I am laughing not as a sentence, as 3 different characters, 3 different words. And then we will write the print command to see the output. So you can see the output, series and object. Here series 0, 1, 2 are the different indexes. At 0 index the word is I, at 1 it is M, at 2 it is laughing. Since we are separating these 3 words by comma, so they are 3 different words. Otherwise it can be a string also. Next we are creating a series by using linspace function of array, np array. NP is array, so in that you have to import numpy also. So np.linspace 24 to 64 comma 5. Here we want to start the series from 24. We want it to go till 64, but we want it to be in 5, means we want only 5 numbers in the series. So how it can go from 24 to 64 with 5 number? So we want increment of 10. See the output, 24, 34, 44, 54 and 64. 64 is the last one, 24 is the first one, and we want 5 numbers, so increment of 10 is given automatically by linspace function. In the next question we are using tile function with numpy array. See 3 comma 5 in tile and 2. 2 means the repetition, how many times we want this tile to be repeated. So 3 and 5 are repeating 2 times with index 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now next example is, in this example we want a series by using dictionary. If you remember last year we have studied dictionary which contain the keys and its element. So first here stu is the name of the variable for dictionary. In curly bracket A is the key and its value is 39, B 41, C 42 and D 44. So again if you want to create series we'll use pd.series and then stu. So see the output, A, B, C, D with data type 64 int. Now see the next example. In this example we are creating a series which stores a particular number at various indexes. Here, index we are giving according to a choice. Now see the solution. Import pandas as PD. As usual, the way we give the initial command for importing pandas. Now pd.series, which is a constructor used to create series. Now after the bracket we have to give the data which we want in the series. So this is 50,000, comma, index equals to. So by this we can give index of our own choice. So see the output here, indexes are qtr1, 2, 3, 4 and the output is same, which is 50,000. Now in the next example also they have given different indexes of our choice, but here in the index they are giving a range starting from this and going till there, and the increment is of 2. So we have to start from 2020 plus 2, 21, 22, then plus 2, 24, then plus 2, 26 and then plus 2, 28. Like this increment is going on in the indexes, and the answer is 200 only, or the data is 200. See the next example. In this example also we are creating a series, but first of all we are creating an array A, B, C and D. These are the different sections we are giving in the variable section, and control is the variable in which we are giving the data which we want to display in the series. Now see the command for series, pd.series data, which is 6700, 5600, 5000, 5200, and index is the section. So in the output as index is coming as A, B, C, D, which was given in the variable section. Now in the next example also we are giving index in the form of section, which is A, B, C, D, E, and data here we are giving in the form of array. So see the fourth line, control equals to np.array, and the different data in that, and the last one is not a number. And then see the line for creating the series, which is pd.series data equals to control star 2. So each and every number in the control variable will be multiplied by 2 in the output. Here also I am sharing some pages from your book. In this also, if you want to access a particular element, so we have to write down its index in the bracket. Suppose name of the index is B and the name of the variable for series is OB3. So we will write OB3 in square bracket B. B is the index. So the element which is at B index will be displayed. Means whatever we want to display, that particular number will be displayed through the index, and that index we have to write in the. Now in the next topic I am explaining you slicing of various elements from the series. Now here I am sharing OB5, OB6 and OB7 as 3 series variable with the different index and the position. Now at the bottom they are giving different example. OB5 and in the square bracket 1. 1 is the initial position, colon, the last position we have not given. So see the output from the first index. What is the position of index and position are two different things. So from the position, the element which is at 1 and 2 will be displayed. See the output. Similarly, in the second example, it is 2 colon 5. So we have to start from second position and it will go till 5. Fifth is not there, so all will be displayed. And if it is 0 colon nothing and then colon 2. What does it mean? It means we have to start from 0 position, we have to go till last, but we have to take the increment of 2. Means we have to, it will bring the alternate element, it will not bring all together. 0, then second will be displayed, then fourth will be displayed, and then so on. Now in this page, if we will write the command OB7, which is the series variable, 10 colon 15. So output is nothing. Why? Because we do not have any position 10. We have indexes as 10, 11, 12, but position is not there as 10 to 15. That's why output is nothing. So even it is written, even though OB7 has indexes 10, 11 and 12, but when we use slice object, it is empty because slice always extract from the position, not from the index which we have provided manually when we are writing the command. See the next example, OB7 colon colon minus 1. No initial position, no final position, but minus 1. It means we have to start from the bottom. So the element which is at the last index will be displayed first, then second last, then third last. Means ulta series will be displayed by using this minus 1. If it is minus 2, then ulta will be displayed with the alternate element. I hope it is clear. Now see the next example, number 14. Import pandas as PD. Print ticket amount. It is a print statement. Asset. Asset is the name of the series which is already created. If you will see the question, it is given there. Now asset colon 2 star 100 means colon 2 means The last position is given here, initial is not given, so we have to go till last, means 0, 1, 2 like that. So see, first and second will be displayed and it is multiplied by 100. So at 0 element it is 39, at 0 first position it is 41. So both are multiplied by 100 and output is given here. I hope it is clear. Here final position is given, so it will go from 0 to 2, but 2 will not be included. So at 0 position and 1 position the element will be multiplied by 100. In the next one also, import pandas at PD. S113 is the series object. Series object at 0 is 7600. Actually at 0 it is 6700. Suppose this example is used if you want to modify the content of the series. So you just have to write the index in the square bracket and give a value. Automatically the previous value will be updated. So now new value of S13 at 0 index is 7600. S13 2 colon. It means we have to start slicing from 2 colon, which is 5000. So 5000 will become 7000. I hope it is clear. Now head and tail function. Already I have explained this function. Again one time I am explaining you. Head function is used to fetch first n rows from the panda object, and tail function returns the last n rows. See the example in the output. If I'll write head and nothing in the bracket, so it will display first 5 rows. Similarly, if I'll write tail with the series object and nothing in the bracket, so it will display last 5 rows. But if I'll specify any number in the head function, see the second one, ob7.head in bracket 7. So first 7 rows will be displayed as the output. Similarly with the tail, if I'll write tail in bracket 7, so last 7 rows will be displayed. Without any number in the bracket, it will display first 5 rows or last 5 rows. Now here we are adding 2 series. We can do that also. It is a arithmetic operation we can use with series. So here C11 is the first object for the series, C12 is the second one. Data in the first one is 30, 40, 50, and in the second one 37, 44, 45, and different indexes are there, which is common in both the series. Now in the last statement we are writing C11 plus C22. So you can see the output. Indexes are same, science, commerce and humanities, but when we are talking about the data, it is actually addition of 30 and 37, 40 and 44, 50 and 45. Now we have to find out the output of the given function. It is also from your book page. Import pandas as PD. Now what is the data in the series? 31, 41 and 51. Obviously no index is given, so it is 0, 1, 2. Now print info will give you the data as it is, 0, 1, 2, 31, 41 and 51 with the data type. Print info greater than 40 means it will display only those information which is greater than 40. So which is greater than 40? 41 and 42. So see the output. For the first one it is giving false because 31 is not greater than 40, and for the rest two it is giving true and true, and the data type is boolean. And the last one, info greater than 14, it is also checking according to the condition. See the next one. Here also we are giving different condition, and the variable or the data which is satisfying the given condition, only that value will be displayed as the output. S11 should be greater than 5500. So only two datas are greater than 5500. So only those 2 rows will be displayed from the series according to the satisfied condition. Suppose you want to sort the series. The data of the series, if you want to sort, so you just have to use a function with the series variable or the series object s11.sort values. Automatically the data will be sorted. As usual, if data is sorted, so its index will be changed according to the data. By default it will arrange the data in ascending order, but if you write ascending equals to false, then data will be arranged in the descending order. I hope it is clear. Please practice.